What's going on, guys? Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here today, and as you see, I'm in super clean gear. So they liked my video so much on using their product, and I actually liked the product that they sent to me. They sent me a couple different things to try out. As you see in the video that we did, I'll link it in the corner here. But we used Super Clean's degreaser, floor dry, and an aerosol spray as well too, along with a wheel cleaner. We did the video on it. They liked it so much, they're actually offering to do a giveaway on the TheWiscoGuyz YouTube channel. So I'll make this short and sweet. Definitely go down below. The link is kingsumo.com. You'll see the link down there. Definitely click on that link and enter to win some super clean products. And what we're giving away is one bottle of their regular spray bottle degreaser, and then we're going to give away one of the aerosol cans, the degreaser, super clean degreaser aerosol cans. I was a little skeptical at first. I was like, oh, let's try it out, see what happens. I don't know, but I really like their product. I actually used it on one of the trucks in the shop to clean it for an undercoat, and it turned out amazing. And the guy that undercoated said it was the cleanest one he's ever had to do on a used vehicle. So definitely, I already used all the aerosol because we cleaned a bunch of stuff in the shop with it. Definitely go down to the link below, get entered in. You'll see there ways to enter and how many entries you can get for doing certain things. So the winner will be picked on the 26th, July 26th at 12 p.m. That's when the winner will be picked. So definitely check your emails. I will be emailing you personally and letting you know if you won or not. So, but as you're seeing this video, the giveaway is live. So definitely check out Super Clean. I'm going to put their website in the link below too, so you can see what they're all about. I like them because they're actually based in Minneapolis, so it's kind of close to home. Based in America and biodegradable detergents. So what more could you say? Stuff works good. And good luck to you guys. Definitely subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Bye.